beautiful. Can't go wrong with gloss or highlighters. And I'm really loving the multi-dimensional little flecks in here. This is the yellow gold, which I think is so beautiful. I just swatched the pigment on my hand. This one's really pretty. I like this one a lot. Ooh. Obviously, I really love the bronze. I mean, they're definitely statement pieces if you want them to be, but I think these are also beautiful things to add into your current makeup routine. And juicy lips always look nice. So I think that these are bomb and I really like them, and I will definitely use them more. I like that.
We go dry brush, packing it on to, oh my god, that is some serious shine from just applying it dry. And let's highlight. Oh my god. Oh my, I did not expect this. Ooh, we're shading. Oh my god, it's blue. Your lips look big. Oh my god, Christmas called. Hello. It has such a good shine to it. Like, look how the light hits it. And it's got that sparkle. This might be one of my favorites out of the entire bunch. Try it a little bit on the lips. Oh. Favorite combo of the entire set. I feel like if you need one combo in your life, it's the copper one, because oh.
The new Ultra Beam highlighters and lip glosses, and they are freaking bomb. Oh, pick them all up with one hand, Ma. They are absolutely beautiful, and I wouldn't expect anything less from Kim. Oh, holy shite. They are so pigmented, but they also have little specks of glitter in them, but it's not chunky. It's a very smooth highlight. Let's go ahead and pack this. Oh, it doesn't even need like spray. Wow, so gorgeous. Let's apply some rose gold to the shoulders. Oh.
Are you kidding me? That's a bomb effing highlight.
By far, still, favorite shade of the whole collection is rose gold.
This is everything.
And oh, whoa, this is nice. Wow, she is pigmented, girl. This is literally with one dunk into these highlighters here. Wow, I'm so impressed with these pigments. I mean, this is kind of like liquid gold. I'm really digging this. This might be the prettiest pigment I've ever used, or like the easiest pigment I've ever used and the most payoff. That's really pretty. I'm digging this, y'all. Wow. Love these powders. These powders are a big hit for me. I'm so excited about these powders. Like, these are coming with me on vacation, okay? Shit, Kim, this is good.
This is everything.
First place is Kim Kardashian West. I love Kim's product. It is so good. So I saw it a bunch online, and like the ads, I thought, oh, maybe they're doctored. Extra glittery, it's Cara filter. I was skeptical. This was my first time trying it, and I loved it. You literally get a full look with these two products, so I think that is beyond awesome.